Hi again, everyone. This is Dr. Robinson, just going to show how to use the flashcard functionality within REEL. So if you look at, I covered before, if you click on your course tile, you can look at your space learning curve. You can also look at your lowest performing learning objectives, and you can calculate when you want to look at what your lowest performing learning objectives by using the date here. And in this video, what I want to show is that you can also get there from the Space Learning tab, and that will show you your lowest learning objectives, mastery, and those kinds of things. And so as you add more courses, you'll get more tabs here, and then you can look at all your data all the way across for each course individually, and then you can have an all tab, and you click on the all tab, and you look at your data all the way across for the entire semester. So what I want to get into is when I have a quiz, I click here and I can take the quiz. It lets me know to go ahead and take it. And let's say that I have a question on this quiz. There's something, I'm still in the quiz and I'm curious about something, and I want to make sure that I create a flashcard for it, right? So obviously this is not your med student stuff. This is some internet stuff, and this is a dummy course that I created. But on this question number 1, let's go forward to number 14 or something like that so I can finish up. Okay, so I'm on question number 13, and I want to know something about dynamic host protocol. But what I can do is I can actually, during the quiz, I just click create flashcard, and it will pause the quiz, and then I can put what is that? And then on the back, I can go and do some research while I'm taking the quiz, and I can say it is blah, 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 right? And then I can select which deck I want to put this in. I can create a deck, and I can say Ray's deck. And then if I go into syllabus, and I find where that information is, obviously it's not going to be in your syllabus because it's not medical related, but you can find in your syllabus where that's related to. And you can say, okay, well, that is goal 1, learning objective B. And you can search through here and you can find goal 1B, and then you can relate it to this flashcard, and you can create that flashcard. Now that flashcard has been created, and what I can do now is I can just move on through the rest of the quiz, and I can submit. Oh yeah, and make sure that you click this. And the reason why we click the confidence interval is because it works like ANKI, and it's actually storing this data, and it's actually using that as part of the algorithm. Because if you get it wrong and you have high confidence, you're going to want to see that question sooner than if you get it wrong and you have low confidence. Okay, and so then I submit that quiz, I click finish, and now I'm here. And if I want to create another flashcard, I can actually create a flashcard right here on this page. And I can say the front of the flashcard, the back of the flashcard, I can put it in my deck, and then I can go and find which learning objective that it relates to. Create that flashcard. Also, if you have any problems with the platform or with a question, you can always submit your feedback right here and say there was some kind of issue with that. So I just want to make sure. Now, if I go to the flashcard profile, I can look here and I can look at all my questions. What is the dynamic host configuration protocol? I have no idea. I flip it. Here is the back of it. And then did I totally miss this concept, and that kind of stuff. All of this information goes into the space retrieval algorithm for your flashcards, which will be then quizzing you on the flashcards appropriately based on your performance. So hopefully that helps with flashcards, and I'll see you all soon.